Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can insert a text box into a screen of your app prototypes on Uizard. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step, navigate to your app project and navigate to the given screen. So let us go with this example screen here, right? So let me just make some space here on that screen. So what you want to do is click into the text tool here on the left hand side and choose one of these options. You can go with a standard text or a title, paragraph, block, header, and so on and so forth. I will go with a standard text, position it here on your canvas. As you can see, I can't do this because I have reached the maximum number of components for the day. So let me go with this text box here. So once you have placed your text box, let me just zoom in. You may double click into it to type in your text, ABC123, press enter to skip to the next line, and so on and so forth. And here you can customize the text, right? You may, for example, highlight the text and make it bold, italic letters, change the font color, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.